Good day YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cinnamon rolls. Now, disclosure, I'm not going to give you my recipe, but I am going to show you the steps that I take to make the perfect cinnamon rolls. And this would be your end product. Today I'm making guava cinnamon rolls for you guys. Like I said, I'm not going to be giving you my recipe, so this is the dough I use. You want to let your dough rise for 1 hour and punch it down. After your dough has risen for 1 hour, you lightly flour the surface and you start to roll it out, just like how you see me doing it in the video. The next thing I do is I spread my softened butter over my dough, but some people usually melt the butter and mix it with brown sugar and cinnamon. That's just the way I do it. I leave the butter out to get soft and I just spread it over the dough just like this. The next thing I do is I take my brown sugar and cinnamon mixture and I evenly spread it across the dough. Okay, now we can come to the hard part. This is the part that most people mess up, and I'm here to teach you how to do it properly. First, you want to start by tightly pinching the dough on top of it itself. Then you're going to pull it towards you and roll it over again and again and again and again until you reach the end. You want to take your time with this step and make sure it's even. Go from one end to the next end if someone can't help you do it. After you've rolled out and cut your dough, it should look like this. Now you want to set it aside and cover it for about 1 hour to let it rise again. Now you want to bake these rolls at 350 degrees for about 25 to 35 minutes, depending on how dark you like them. As I said earlier, I'm making guava rolls, so I made a guava sauce and I'm just spreading it on top and they're done. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys learned a lot. I hope you liked watching me make these. If you make them for yourself, send me a picture on my Instagram at @homieaustin. I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Also comment down below what you want to see me make next. I will try to make everything.